Welcome to AI Discovery Channel. Join us today as we show you 7 ways that Chat GPT can make your life a lot easier and speed up processes that normally take hours, or even days. Chat GPT simplifies human life by aiding in problem solving and decision making, offering writing assistance and creative inspiration, facilitating education, automating tasks and offering entertainment. It enhances productivity, communication, and learning while acting as a versatile and valuable tool for various aspects of personal and professional life. Please note that Chat GPT is not always perfect, so it is always advisable to proofread anything it produces and make any necessary changes. Before we get into the 7 amazing life hacks, please make sure to watch till the end of this video and we will reveal one extra bonus life hack that could change the direction of your life for the better. Life hack 1. Summarizing articles or books. Tired of slogging through long articles or books? Chat GPT can help by summarizing the key points for you. Just input the text, book title or link, and it'll provide a concise summary, saving you time and helping you understand the essence of the content. For example, you can use Chat GPT to summarize research papers, news articles, or even complex academic texts. Life hack 2. Planning your holiday. Ready for a break? Chat GPT can assist in planning your holiday. Share your preferences and requirements, and it will suggest destinations, create itineraries, and even offer packing tips. This way, you can have a relaxing vacation without the stress of planning. Life hack 3. Shortlist of movies to watch. Looking for movie recommendations? Chat GPT can create a tailored list based on your preferences. Tell it your favorite genres, moods, or themes, and it will curate a list of movies you'll enjoy. You can specify different actors, the time period the movie was made and more. Movie night just got a whole lot more exciting. Life hack 4. Making contracts understandable. Dealing with contracts and legal jargon can be intimidating. Chat GPT can help simplify complex terms and conditions, making contracts more understandable. It ensures that you're fully aware of what you're agreeing to, whether it's for partnerships, letting agreements, or any other legal contract. Simply input the text of the contract into Chat GPT and ask to simplify it. That's one less headache to worry about. Life hack 5. Generating responses to questions. For content creators, online tutors and various other roles in life, engagement is key. Chat GPT assists you in responding to your audience's questions and comments. Whether it's addressing common queries or providing additional insights, you can maintain an active and meaningful interaction with your audience fast. Simply enter the question into Chat GPT and ask it to respond. Job done. Life hack 6. Describing images. If a project you are working on involves visuals, Chat GPT can help you describe them effectively. Simply provide the web link of the image and ask Chat GPT to describe it. Chat GPT will then generate engaging and descriptive text that you can use in your project, saving you time and brainpower. Life hack 7. Asking for advice. Unsure of how to proceed or facing a problematic task? Chat GPT can be your virtual brainstorming buddy. Ask for advice, discuss ideas, and explore different strategies. It's a fantastic way to overcome challenges and get fresh insights. Whatever the problem is you are facing, Chat GPT can find the solution to your dilemma. And there you have it. Chat GPT is your all-in-one creative assistant, helping you with everything from summarizing articles to planning life events. So go ahead and explore the endless possibilities this tool offers. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more content on how to maximize the amazing potential of AI. As promised, here is the bonus life hack that we told you about earlier. Life hack 8. Creating completely original content. If you're looking to spark your creativity, Chat GPT is the way to go. Pitch a basic idea or concept, and watch as Chat GPT generates original content like storylines, song lyrics, or even unique challenges. It's an incredible tool to add unexpected and fresh elements to your content. If you'd like an in-depth explanation of how to use this amazing Chat GPT feature to create completely original content, with examples of ways you can monetize that content, then please click the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching.